Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down the essentials: an account on a VPS or managed host, a domain, and TLS so your site serves HTTPS. Once done, install your CMS, WordPress, or a static generator, because each determines later automation. Make sure to register and store API keys for your content sources and any scraping or RSS aggregator tools. This early setup saves integration headaches. It's how you prepare the environment to run scheduled imports, parsing routines, and publishing workflows reliably. You now build the pipeline. Connect RSS feeds, APIs, or scraping scripts that pull content on a schedule. Then normalize data. Map titles, authors, timestamps, and images into consistent templates so posts render uniformly. Once done, add deduplication and copyright checks to avoid reposts. Next, schedule imports using cron, serverless functions, or webhook-driven triggers to control frequency. This step ensures fresh content without overloading sources. Make sure to log every step for troubleshooting and quality control. You finish by automating publishing. Apply templates, assign categories and tags, and queue social shares. Then monitor site health with logs, error alerts, and performance metrics to catch broken imports or slow pages. Once live, implement caching and rate controls to stay within source limits. If something goes wrong, use sandbox test runs and rollback features to revert recent imports. This prevents bad data from reaching readers. Finally, iterate on parsing and templates to improve quality and SEO over time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.